Airports are the perfect environment for birds to live. However, they represent a big threat for airplanes. The bird strike, the impact between a bird and a plane, happens mostly during takeoff or landing, the riskiest flight procedures. Current monitoring systems don't provide the required answer. The number of bird strikes is still increasing. And a new dangerous threat is arising: little commercial drones used to disrupt both safety and security. Ventur is the next generation bird and drone detection system. The first system which uses artificial intelligence to detect, track, count and identify the location of birds and drones. And, above all, classify bird species. Intelligent cameras equipped with our machine and deep learning algorithms constantly sweep the airport area. A combination of our algorithms and high-efficiency cameras, 5K and above, allow extreme precision and long acquisition range. When a bird is detected, a warning will be issued and an alert appears on the situational awareness display. While camera 1 and 2 continue sweeping the airport area, cameras 3 and 4 will be clean, the final path before takeoff and landing, to provide real-time situational awareness to the pilots. We make your flight safer.